So if you don't remember anything else from the video, just remember this phrase, because you can use this phrase with absolutely anything in a restaurant that you want. Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? My name is Catalin, and today we're going to be talking about English at a restaurant. Ordering food in English is definitely something that can be quite scary. So to make you feel a little bit more confident, today I'm going to teach you how to make a reservation and how to order some food at a restaurant politely. So of course the first thing that we want to do is find a place that we want to eat at, and then call them to make a reservation. And you simply need to say to them on the phone, "I'd like to make a reservation." Don't say that you'd like to make an appointment though. Although reservation and appointment are two quite similar words, they have different usages. You make an appointment to see a person, but you make a reservation of a certain place. So that's the difference between these. Make sure you use reservation and not appointment. The next thing that they will most likely ask you on the phone when you're making a reservation is for how many people, what day, and what time. And to respond to this, all you need to say is the amount of people and then use the structure for day at time. For example, 5 people for Friday at 8 p.m. Make sure that you use at before the time, because at is our specific preposition for specific times. So you would say at 8 p.m, not on and not in 8 p.m. So after you've made your reservation and now you're at the restaurant, your reservation time has arrived and you're sitting down and perhaps you have a menu. It is now time to start thinking about what you would like to eat. So say you look at the menu and you're not really sure. You can ask the waiter, "Do you have any recommendations?" or "What do you recommend?" And then they will tell you some dishes that they think are tasty. And perhaps you've looked at the menu and you see something that you think you might like to eat, but you want to ask a few questions about it. Maybe because there's something that you don't eat, perhaps because of your religion or your personal choice, or maybe you're just allergic to something. You can use the phrase, "Is this?" Very simple one. All you need to do is point at the dish on the menu that you would like to ask the question about and say, "Is this?" and then something. Is this vegetarian? Is this halal? You can also follow up this question with an adjective. For example, is this spicy? Is this sweet? So after you've decided what you would like to eat, now it is time to order. When we're ordering food in English, we don't say, "I want ... or "give me ... Both of these phrases are a little bit rude. Instead, you can use the phrase, "Can I have ... please?" This is a lot more polite and more natural. For example, "Can I have a Caesar salad, please?" Or "Can I have the chicken curry, please?" The "can I have ... please" is a super helpful phrase. So if you don't remember anything else from the video, just remember this phrase, because you can use this phrase with absolutely anything in a restaurant that you want. You can use it for drinks as well. "Can I have a glass of wine, please?" "Can I have a drink of water, please?" You can also use it for objects like menus and napkins, and once it comes time to pay, for the check too. "Can I have the check, please?" And that is all for today. The phrases that I've taught you should really help you feel more confident when you're ordering food in English. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then just leave them in the comment box down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will see you guys later. Bye bye!